So today I'm going to share with you my top favorite tiny little gadgets that are very useful. Might have you even saying, good things do come in small packages.
Mr. Black.
And let's start with the smallest and work our way up to the bigger one. This tiny little product comes in from MagTame, and it's a 240 watt, 90 degree magnetic adapter for your USB-C cables, giving you transfer speeds up to 40 gigabytes per second. And why I love this is it's just so simple. I keep this plugged into my computer, or you can keep it plugged into your phone. And when I get to work and I just want to plug in all my accessories to that one cable, I can just pop this on with a magnet and it all works. And it's just so simple. It's so small, but it's so useful. And I'll put links to all of this stuff down in the description so you can find out where to get it. And while you're looking at the MagTame stuff, you should also look at these cables that they have. Like this one right here is a 60 watt USB-C to USB-C connector, and it's got like magnets in it so that when you roll it up, it actually just, it stays put. So you don't have cables just making a mess everywhere. This thing will roll up just nice and neat. So it's perfect for traveling. It just keeps your area just that much more tidy. They also have a 60 watt USB-C to USB-C with a duo adapter on it. Just in case you need to use USB-A, you can just pop that on. It's right there, and then has that magnetic coil to it. Just looking super sleek. I just want all of my cables to be these ones right here because they're that good. So moving on to the next one, and we are getting bigger and bigger just slightly. And if you are new here, don't be a stranger to the channel. Click that subscribe button because I bring out videos like this all the time. Also, if you hit that like button, YouTube will just, let you know when I do that. All right, so this one comes in from VSGO, and this thing is so small, but it's super versatile. Let's just start with this part right here. You have like a little blade. It's not sharp, but you can open packages easily with it. If you need to cut a wire or something like that, you can use that. You can also use this end as like a quick screwdriver if you have like a flathead, and you have a little flashlight right there, which is really great for when you're in the dark, or you can hold down that button and you can get like more of a floodlight right there. You have 3 levels of brightness, and you have SOS, and you also have like an emergency red light. So if you're riding your bike, you can have it clipped onto your bag behind you. It does charge with USB-C. It has this little hook for carabiners right there. And on the back, it's magnetic. So you can actually just pop this thing on to your car. You can pop it onto your workbench or your refrigerator. And it has this back part right here that's magnetic, giving you a little clip for your belt or your bag, just so you can slide it on and it's nice and strong. So really cool product from VSGO. I just thought you guys would like this because it's just really cool. It's small and it's very versatile. You get a lot of useful things out of this. So the next one on this list is actually really cool. This is like a microscopic lens for your phone, and it's super easy to use. You have a light on here. You can even change which side you want in different color temperatures, and even like this purple color here. So it comes with this nifty little phone stand, and you can easily find the lens that you're looking for with this. And then your little lens snaps on there, and you can get shots like this. This is just me walking around in the backyard, and it's just mind-blowing how close you can get to like the blades of grass and just have a look at that like little bit of water on there. You can get really close to like coins if you're a coin collector. It's just really fun, and also it's just impressive. Like I loved taking videos and showing people like, dude, check this out, and everyone was blown away. They're like, you did this with your phone? Speaking of phones, I don't know why it took me so long to get this thing right here. This is a MagSafe mount for like airplanes. So if you fly a lot, this is going to be something you're going to want to look for. Basically, you have this clamp right here, and you can clamp it onto your tray tables, whether they're up or whether they're down. And then you just pop your phone on the MagSafe part, and you can be watching your videos hands-free, not worrying about dropping it or whatever. Just makes it that much more simple to use. I mean, you can use this on your desk or bedside table. It's just a clamp. But as far as like when you're traveling, when you're flying, I'm going to be taking this thing with me every time because it really helps out a lot. All right, finally, number 5 here. This one is a little bit bigger, but also very small for what it does. This is a 3-in-1 charger, and look at how thin this thing is. You plug it in with USB-C. It does come with a USB-C cable and the charging brick. And check this out. You can just set your phone on it like that, and it can be charging, or you can lift it up, and now you have different angles that you can put your phone on. You also have this part here that you can pop out, and you can be charging your watch. And then there's another wireless charger down here that you can put your AirPods on. So that's really cool, but also the base is really solid, and I love that you can swivel it around. And why that's important is because sometimes, you know, you have your USB-C cable going out and it's just kind of like the wrong angle. And so if you need to adjust this so that the cable's not sticking out in a weird spot, you can. And that is a really cool feature. And this is the smallest 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger that I have seen. So there we have it. That's 5 little small products that I think are extremely useful. If you want to see some other cool top 5 products, you can check out one of these videos that's on the screen, and I'll see you there.